Hello and welcome to another program with me, Suhail and Ali.
Thank you. Hey everybody, you're most welcome here. I highly appreciate your attention in advance. So do you remember Jen?
Yeah, one of our close friends.
Of course. Guys, Jen is a friend of mine, actually, Suhail and I just sent hello to Jen from here. Hey Jen, I love you and I miss you.
Me too.
And really, Jen was a really nice person.
Of course she is.
A generous and a kind. And thanks a million, Jen, for your hospitality and your kindness. Guys, we sent Jen an email after that vacation. Let's analyze this email together. Ready?
Yeah, let's go.
So
let's start with the first paragraph. So, hi Jen, we are so glad we decided to take a holiday here. So the first, collocation with take is take a holiday.
Or we can say take a vacation in American English.
So, yesterday we took a trip to the mountains. Take a trip means we traveled.
Yes.
First, we took a train to a little town. You know that, took a train. And then we took a bus going to various villages. And got out when we saw one that we took a liking to. So, Ali, would you please tell me a little about the meaning of take a liking to something?
Of course, for sure. But before that, guys, pay attention. For using the public transportation, we can use take. Okay, for example, take a train, take, a bus, take a taxi. And so, take a liking to means to be interested in something, to like
start
something,
and to begin
of course,
to
yes.
like something. Great. So, of course, we were taking the risk as we didn't know exactly what we'd find there. Take a risk means risk.
Yeah, of course, that's natural. Everybody in his or her life may take some risk. Okay, but guys, be careful.
Ali, are you a risk taker?
Not that much. I try to be a risk avoider, but sometimes it's necessary, guys, to be a risk taker.
Exactly.
To make progress in life.
Yeah, I agree with you. So let's go on. But we were lucky. Some kids took an interest in us. It means they
were interested.
Exactly.
Yes.
And showed us some great places. We took a lot of photos.
Of course.
Have you done anything yet about your job? I'd take a chance and leave if I were you.
Yep.
No point in staying somewhere where the boss has taken a dislike to you. Means that the boss doesn't like you.
Yeah, disagrees with you.
Take advantage of being in London. It means make good use.
Yeah, the utmost.
Exactly. There are always plenty of jobs there. You'll soon find something else. So take action. It means do something right now.
Yeah.
That's my advice. Good luck. Your friends, Ali and Suhail.
Yes. So guys, try to use these, we can say, collocation. Yeah, like all of them are used with, we can say, take.
Yeah.
Take a holiday, take a train, take a bus, take risk, take a chance. And put it in your speaking and especially in your writing.
Yeah, to improve your speaking fluency.
Course. Yes.
Thank you. So Ali, anything else to add?
Nothing. Okay. For in further videos, we will let you know what to do and how to use more collocation in English in different parts.
Yeah. Hope you've enjoyed this program. But before saying goodbye, don't forget to
share
and like this video
and click on the bell icon to be notified for further videos in the future.
Exactly. So thank you so much.
Thanks
That's for this session.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.